shapes thought, how can English teachers shape the way student thinks? You will be given 1 minute to prepare your thoughts. Use this short time to your advantage.
Now time's up, Paul. You will now begin.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, there is a profound saying by Ludwig Wittgenstein: the limits of my language means the limits of my word. This means that the words we know are just not labeled for things. They are a building blocks of our very thoughts. Language is not passive. It actively shapes the way we think, the way we see the world, the way we reason, and the way we dream. If this is true, then English language or English teachers are not only just an educators of language, they are an architects of thoughts. A key to expanding not just students' vocabularies, but also their values, horizons, and visions for the future. First, they allows for words to express creatively. Like instead of saying I'm sad, they could say I am consumed by loneliness and longing. So they don't just speak better, but they think deeper. Second, they sharpen critical thinking skills. Literature is not just about character. It is also about questioning about justice, power, and truth. It teaches them what to know, but how to know. Third, it evokes empathy. Every stories, every book or novels allows for students to live in a world, to live lives, and to live 1,000 of lives beyond their own, cultivating compassion in a world that often forgets how to care. Finally, it also evokes creativity and character. Language fuels imagination and innovation. And it also improves values like honesty, resilience that shapes students who to become. So, if language shapes thought, then English teacher shapes the way students think. Like for creative expression, critical thinking, empathy, creativity, and values. And you know what? When a teacher invests their knowledge to the students, they are planting seeds. And the students are a fertile ground, and those seeds will transform into action and convictions that could change or probably that could shape the future. So, to be an English teacher, therefore, is not just about to teach a subject. It is about shaping destiny.